Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to place an image in different shapes in Canva. So let's start. Okay, first of all, let's take an image. This is my image. Then go on frame. You can see here are different shapes. Let's take this one. Okay, if I want to add this image to frame, then I simply click over here and drag to the frame. See. In this way, we can fit our image to different shapes. This one, here are multiple frames we can select from here. Okay, now I want to take this one. Okay, for this, I'll again select my image and simply drag and frame. See how beautiful. This one, just simply drag and drop. And you can adjust side by double click, and here it is. Wow. In this way you can add image to different shapes in Canva. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.